the monkey and the dolphin. One summertime, a sailor embarked on a long voyage from exploration and pleasure. He took along with him a monkey to amuse him away from a shipboard. As he sailed off a coast of a violent storm rose in which was wrecked, and his monkey and all the crew forced to swim their lives. The dolphin saw the dolphin saw a monkey fighting with the waves. Thinking to be a man who is always said to be a friend, came and placed on his back and swam to the shore. And the dolphin saw a land not far from Athens. And the dolphin asked the monk, "Are you an Athenian?" The latter replies boastfully, "Yes, I am Athenian of a very noble origin." The dolphin inquired boastfully, "Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Ano ba to? Origin. Do you know Piraeus is the famous harbor in Athens?" The monkey replied boastfully, "Yes, I know Piraeus because it's my close friend." And the monkey dipped in the water and drowned him in a deep blue sea. The moral of the story, those who pretend what they are not. The moral of the story, those who pretend what they are not, sooner or later find themselves in deep trouble. This is in Letran Kalamba. I memorized that, and I just memorized that. And in English, and I just memorized kaunti lang, like that. And this is Marky and Josephabia. And can comment me or like it, and you can subscribe or make me a video too from me. Okay, this is 3SMH. Boom, boom, boom.